23rd of September 2017 is in the news. Is this day the beginning of the end? Does the Bible indeed point to 23rd of September 2017 as the day that the rapture is going to happen? Will this day trigger the 7-year great tribulation that we read about in the scripture? What about Nibiru Apocalypse? Planet X, the wormwood, will it destroy the earth? Oh, the blood moon. Does it have anything to speak to us about the end time? These are some of the topics that we are going to be considering this week on Maranatha Teaching Channel. I'm your host, Femi Fernandez. Please join me this week as we consider all these important questions. God bless you. Shalom.